Hey, going to show you how you can assign speaker to people faster in Screenpipe using the chat. So here I'm opening the chat. Can you retrieve meetings I had today or yesterday? And just summarize them. So here I'm using the ChatGPT integration of Screenpipe. So I'm using GPT5.4. And so I had conversation with AWS team. Actually, I forgot the name. Can you find the name they had on the like screen data, on the Google Meet screen data at the time? Can you give me some samples of their voice? I want to assign using the speaker API. Just give me some sample of their voice.
The AWS Marketplace. So
can you assign speaker to her voice? Okay. And so now you can try to create, you can ask to make it run on schedule as a pipe. And so it can assign people to voice automatically based on what you see on your screen. That's it.